Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday life? Then this fresh cut flower diffuser blend is gonna make your home or office smell amazing. With this recipe, it'll smell like you have fresh cut flowers in your home or office daily. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their everyday life. So turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's get started with this diffuser blend. Grab your July recipe box and your big bonus box. First thing you're gonna wanna grab is your recipe card. You are gonna use your tangerine, downtime, and palmarosa essential oils. And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab one of your 5 milliliter essential oil bottles. I grabbed one of our rose clay diffusers to use for this. Add 3 drops of tangerine, 2 drops of downtime, and last but not least, 1 drop of palmarosa. All right, now that it's on the passive clay diffuser, it'll diffuse in the air and it smells absolutely amazing. To make a master blend, you'll grab your 5 milliliter bottle, take your orifice off, you're gonna add 40 drops of tangerine, 33 drops of downtime, and 27 drops of palmarosa. All right. Then you are gonna put your orifice on, give it a little swirl or a little shake, and then add your label. All right, let's add our label. All right, now that it's labeled, I can add this master blend to a diffuser, and then I have the diffuser blend for whenever I want to use it. You can make this fresh cut flower diffuser blend too. Let's test it out. It smells like fresh cut flowers. I love to see all of your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of all your creations and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see them all. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes just like this one. Go get yours today.